Welcome back to Effective Presentations for Teachers. We're going to do a quick overview of one of our modules where it is talking about the completion of manipulating or adding pictures that are appropriate to the topic of the presentation for at least half the slides. And we're just going to do a little snippet of that to make sure the pictures are appropriate, whether they are size or shape or they actually go with the presentation itself. So we're going to use Canva for more pictures or ideas that can be used in the classroom setting. Again, it's with PowerPoint or Google Slides that we already have. This first one shows a picture of the crucible, and it has the picture of a scared person because it's talking about fear, but notice you cannot really read the writing because of the picture. So that picture needs to either be moved to one of the sides, or maybe the transparency needs to be fixed to where it's a little bit lighter, or the font needs to be moved somewhere, the writing. Our first example is the picture is off to the right. It still shows that it is fear, but it is not overwhelming. We can still see the writing. Our next one shows that the writing is off into the right-hand side versus taking over all the space, but our picture is in the upper left-hand corner. It is still showing fear, still works with it. And that's another good example. Our next slide shows how the picture does not really go with what it's talking about, the widening circle of witchcraft accusations. There is a circle, there is information on there, but as you notice with the new arrows that are placed, especially the bottom left, the widening circle of witchcraft accusations title is very difficult to read because of the picture in the background, and it doesn't go with it. So we want to change that. We still want to keep the circle because that is what it's about, the widening circle of accusations. We still want to keep the people or the topics that are in there, but we want to be able to read them. The background here shows they're in the woods, which is part of the crucible, so it's a good addition for a picture. And this one is a little bit better. This one includes the same thing for the circle, but it just has a picture off to the corner. So again, we want to make sure that we are using Canva or something along those lines for pictures and ideas that can be used in a classroom setting that goes with the PowerPoint. Thank you again.